Hey, what's up? Hello, it's your girl Jordan, and of course we got Wingstop. You already know. We're gonna start off with some French fries and ranch, duh. And some veggie sticks. I feel like it only falls on camera. Anybody else? And we got sweet tea. You already know. And the wings. We did mild and lemon pepper, and I've never had this place before. So let's try it and see how it is. Turn it this way, get everything in here. All right. I'm excited about this ranch. I've heard only good things. So you know the rules. 2 French fries. I could drink this. And we got mild wings. Let's see. My gosh. Okay, Wingstop, I see you. Let's try a lemon pepper. I gotta try that French fry. You kidding me? Y'all, run. Do not walk to Wingstop. I'm dead serious. This is so good. Oh my gosh. And they're so sweet. When I picked it up, the girl was, I was like, I forgot to add the veggie sticks. Can I add it? And she's like, I'll give you some. Girl, stop. You know we love a girl's girl. And when she brought it, she put it in my bag. And on the way out, she was like, you have a great night. I'm telling you, no, people are sweet. It is so nice. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Go run and get you some. I'm going to just sit here with my ranch and Wingstop. What are y'all doing on this Friday night? Brecken is at the Sadie's Hawk and Dance. And Liam's at Damien's. So, Mom and Dad had a date night at Wingstop. You already know. So, yeah, I'm just going to sit here and drink this ranch. So, don't worry about me.